Hey y'all, welcome back to the journey. So as you see in that little intro video that we really need to be working on the driveway, and that's why I'm out here today. It's cold, little on the chilly side. Everything's covered in ice, but I'm still gonna be out here. Gonna put my gloves on, and I need to gather up just some smaller rocks of what we have here on the property, just to be able to fill in some of those holes. And then there's also an area up next to the gate that it needs to be cleaned up a little bit because I have water that comes down from the left and water that comes down from the right, and then it all goes into the one little culvert, and I need to kind of fix the water coming down from the right because it doesn't go into the culvert, it just goes right into the driveway, creating that really big puddle that I need to get filled in with some rocks. But without further ado, let's yak, more work. So let's go find some rocks. All right, so I think I found some rocks, or at least the rocks I'm gonna go ahead and use. They're smaller, the 3 to 4 inch roughly, but I want them to be a little bit bigger to be able to fill in those holes really well. And then we can come back later to put in the smaller rock, and then eventually the whole driveway is gonna just get a whole new layer. Neighbor's dog. Let's get this truck moved. Alright, so I'm actually going to start off with some smaller rocks right here up against the house. And then there's like a flower bed, something up here in the front yard that has like a tree that was cut down. I don't know. But I'm going to start here and then we'll move up. Okay, I think I've sourced just about everything I could source from this side of the house. Yes, breathe heavy, my friends, because man, that's a lot of back-breaking work. But I got this pile done, and then that other pile, like I said, was right there. So let's go dump this first, and then we'll come back. So let's see which one of these. Pretty deep. It's about 4 inches. Yeah. Guess I'll start off in the big one. Up to lay the other. There you go, just like that. All right. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clear up this other side down here. But I need to go get something that I can clear up them branches so I can even walk in there. Just going to use my trusty little hatchet because it's just sometimes breaking out the chainsaw just seems a little too much. Chainsaw's fun till you gotta hold it. That's gonna come through. Yeah, because they even got thorns. Everybody loves thorns. Excuse me. Of course, I took off my gloves. I should be putting those back on. Ow. Ow. Yeah, let me grab my gloves. Once I get these trees cleared out, I'll actually bring you guys up in here before I start digging so you can kind of see what I'm seeing and the reason why the water is going to the driveway instead of down here to the culvert. Get you over there. There we go. So this is where the water should be going. And this water from the left side, it flows down and it goes in. I could probably even clean it up some, even just right here at the entrance, because this whole thing needs to get dug up. Because you can see that culvert is crushed in. And it's allowing whenever heavy water comes in, it's pushing it through the dirt. So we need to get the whole thing dug up and do that, but this is the entrance to, the only entrance to our property currently. So to do this, you have to get that done in one day. So it's more of a weekend project or something we can park outside. But then this one, I'm supposed to have water right here, But you can see whenever you come up, still got thorns. Comes up, comes up, comes up. So right here, and then I have dirt sediment that's filling in. So all this water, you can see there's still water right here. It's starting to go that way towards the truck. And then if that's what's flooding out the driveway. So I'm gonna come in here and just create a channel going back towards that culvert. And then I'm also gonna see if I can't bend up the front of that culvert. That way water will go through it instead of pushing it out of the way. Alright, so I got a nice little trench up in there. Water's always going to take the path of least resistance. So I got it piled up pretty good on the right hand side. The way you can kind of see that. Where it'll make the turn, and instead of going that way, it will go that way. This we'll see here in a couple days because it's supposed to rain. Oh man, well, tools and their uses. If you guys didn't check out the short video I did over on the daily scuttlebutt with IFF, yeah, I broke a tool, a tool I really needed for today. So I'm gonna have to go get a new handle and or possibly go get just a whole new pickaxe. It's kind of hard, you know, digging up in this Arkansas dirt because there's just rocks and rocks and rocks. You know, so you kind of need that pickaxe to kind of loosen that stuff up. And yeah, I was trying to use it to straighten out that metal culvert down the driveway, and snap, fell down. My butt's all dirty. I didn't get it on camera. Too bad, but well, I guess since I don't got the tool that I need for today, I'm just gonna go fishing. Y'all have a great weekend, and remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye now. Hello, pond. Let's see if you got any fish, because I don't know.